Who is the highest law officer of India? The right to privacy comes under which article of Indian Constitution? Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Well, these were some of the questions asked from the Polity section of the SSC, CGL and CHSL exams conducted recently. And if you are wondering how to get ready for such questions, don't worry. Our expert trainer Sridhar will help you understand all these topics thoroughly through these videos.
See, we have to remember articles from 1 to 51A for all the competitive examinations. After that, we will see what are those important ones in the coming chapters. Lok Sabha members are directly elected by the people. In this session of Polity, we shall discuss the special status of Jammu and Kashmir. There are 6 rights in Article 19. The first is freedom of speech and expression. One is no confidence motion, next is motion of thanks, and next is budget. If these 3 are not passed, it will result in defeat of the government. When was the third emergency? It was during 1975. It was imposed on the name of internal disturbance. Now the name is changed to armed rebellion. So under Bombay High Court, which are the states and UTs coming? Generally Maharashtra comes under it. Next is Daman Diu, Dadra Nagar Haveli and Goa state.